Welcome to Treasures by Bina. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Hi guys, today we're going to do a very short tutorial on how to curve text in Design Space. So what you're going to do is type out whatever text you would like to curve in your design. Once you type it out, you're going to see at the top in between alignment and advanced, a curve button shows up. You can click on that, and it's as simple as dragging the cursor to the right to curve down or to the left to curve up. You can curve it all the way over and it will make a circle out of your text. And that's it. What else I will show you though is how to curve multiple lines of text. So when you have multiple lines of text, the curve button disappears. What you have to do is click on Advanced, select Ungroup to Lines, and it will give you two separate lines of text now. The curve button reappears, and once again, you can curve to the right or to the left. And that's it. If you have any questions, type them down below, rather. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.